ready. Hike starts here. 1, 2, 3. Point Avenue. All right. Good luck. Nobody died. Yes, we're at the base. We just started. Maybe did a 200 meters of a 4-kilometer vertical hike. We're at DaiLai. How do you pronounce this? So we've been hiking for over an hour now, still climbing up the hill. This is very steep, side of a mountaintop. We got Dan the Man, and I got Jordan. Brute. Military training exercise over there.
Yeah.
They're shooting some artillery rounds into the mountaintop. Thankfully, they're not shooting over here.
Yeah.
We just finished, and we're gonna head back down, and then we're gonna go grab a meal at Pizza for Peas. Thank you for joining us at Point Avenue's team building. Number one of many. Point Avenue!
Everyone say!
Everybody wave! Point Avenue!